Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the biodiversity and conservation hotspots. In previous lecture we have studied about what is biodiversity, how it can be conserved. On behalf of it, several hotspots are there in the world. First, Norman Mears developed the hotspot concept in 1988 to designate priority areas for in situ conservation. This is hotspots are those where in situ conservation method is applied, and biodiversity hotspots are areas that are unusually rich in species and most of which are endemic, are found in that confined area and not found in other areas, and are under a constant threat of being overexploited, so they are designated as hotspot. So main criteria to determine hotspots are the number of endemic species and degree of threat, which is measured in terms of habitat loss. Among the various hotspots in the world, near about 25 hotspots in the world, two are found in India. These are two distinct areas, the Western Ghats and the Eastern Himalayas. We can see through this diagram, Eastern Himalayas basically cover the distinct flora region and comprises Nepal, Bhutan, neighboring states of East and Northeast India, and a part of southwestern China. And in case of Western Ghats, the Western Ghat region is considered as one of the most important biogeographical zone of India, as it is one of the richest centers of endemic species. It covers the region parallel to the western coasts of Indian peninsula for almost 1600 km in Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. So we can see through this diagram that this is the Eastern Himalayan region and this is the Western Ghat region, which covers the area. In the similar way, some important wildlife sanctuaries are there, like Annamalai Sanctuary, Kaziranga Wildlife Sanctuary, which is situated in Brahmaputra in Sibsagar, Jaldapar Wildlife Sanctuary, Manas Wildlife Sanctuary and Tiger Reserve, Prayar Wildlife Sanctuary, Mudmalai Wildlife Sanctuary, Bandipur Wildlife Sanctuary, and Sisengir Sanctuary, Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. So these all are sanctuaries. In the similar way, some national parks are highlighted. Simlipal National Park, Corbett National Park, which is situated between Nainital and Garhwal district of Uttarakhand. Heli National Park is there, Betla National Park is there, Hazaribagh National Park is there, and Kanha National Park is there. Rest other national parks and sanctuaries are also there. So in this way we have studied about what is biodiversity, how can it be conserved through ex situ conservation method and in situ conservation method, and what are the hotspots and which hotspots are situated in India. So it is all about the biodiversity and its conservation. Thank you.